viewers, good morning. This is NJ here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students. Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban, sabah al khair. Tajahau, privet. Dear students, today we are going to view the use of voice, direct speech and indirect speech. Both of the speeches have great importance in speaking, and we call these altogether a narration. Narration is commonly used in day-to-day life, and it's also taught in academies. Let's start our lesson of voice narration. You see, my students, that speech. He asks, comma, inverted comma, start. Does she not sing? Does she not sing? Commas close, interrogative sign. This is a question in direct speech. He asks, does she not sing? Interrogative sign. You see the direct speech is in two parts. She asks, comma, वो पूछती है. He asks, वो पूछता है, comma, inverted comma starts. Does she not sing? क्या वो नहीं गाती है? Does she not sing? Commas close, interrogative sign. क्या वो नहीं गाती है? This is a double interrogative. Interrogative negative question. He asks, comma, inverted comma starts. Does she not sing? He asks, comma, inverted comma start. Does she not sing? Commas close, interrogative sign. वो पूछता है क्या वो नहीं गुनगुनाती है, क्या वो नहीं गाती है. आइए इसकी चेंज देखते हैं. Let's see the change. और it's going to change to indirect speech. बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में ये कैसे चेंज होगा? You see, my students. He asks. We will write here first part. He asks. Then approaching to the commas, we will remove the commas and we will write if. In all simple interrogatives or double interrogatives, by rules we remove the commas and write if, and this interrogative statement will change to positive affirmative sentence. So here see that she will stand as a subject because third person pronoun by rules not going to change. You see, my students, सवालिया जुमलों में सिंपल सवालिया या डबल सवालिया जुमलों में हम कॉमर्स को हटा के इफ ऐड करते हैं और इसके बाद जो सवालिया जुमला है इसे मुस्बत में चेंज करना होता है. जैसे कि क्वाइद हैं, रूल्स हैं, ज़वाबित हैं इसके डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के बराह रास्त और बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू के जो क्वाइद हैं उनके तहत हम सवालिया और डबल सवालिया जुमलों में कॉमर्स हटा के वहाँ पे इफ लगाते हैं या वैदत लगाते हैं. तो इफ हमने यहाँ पे लिखा और ये सवालिया जुमला जो है ये पॉजिटिव में बदलेगा. शी जो है ये थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन है. कॉमर्स के अंदर जो थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस होते हैं उनकी चेंज नहीं की जाती, उन्हें वैसे लिखा जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई शी इज देयर. थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस इनसाइड द कॉमर्स, he, she, they and it are never going to change. So she is there as a subject and we will keep the sense, negative sense of this statement and the present tense because by rules if first part is in present tense then interior part will remain in the present tense. अजीज़म तुलबा, अगर बाहर वाला हिस्सा जो है वो फिलहाल में है तो इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जब हम जाएंगे तो अंदर वाले हिस्से को वर्ब को भी फिलहाल में ही रखेंगे. सो यू सी, शी डज नॉट सिंग. She does not sing. In present tense, we add does not with singular file and sing is the verb. It will not change because this is a present form and in the start first part of the statement we have the present form. So verb form will remain same. जैसे कि क्वाइट हैं उनके मुताबिक वर्ब फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होगी क्योंकि बाहर का हिस्सा भी प्रेजेंट में है और अंदर वाला भी प्रेजेंट में है. So new sentence is he asks if she does not sing. He asks if she does not sing. वो पूछता है आया कि वो नहीं गाती है. Let's see the next statement. आइए अगला जुमला देखते हैं. Next one is direct speech है, बराह रास्त गुफ्तगू है. Ben says, comma, inverted comma start. Who is he to you? Who is he to you? Comma close, interrogative sign. Ben says, comma, inverted comma start. Who is he to you? Who is he to you? Comma close, interrogative sign. अज़ीज़ तुलबा यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है बराह रास्त गुफ्तगू है. इसमें पहले इसमें Ben says, Ben कहता है एंड कॉमर्स के अंदर देखिए हु इज ही टू यू, कॉमर्स क्लोज इंटरोगेटिव साइन, ये भी सवालिया जुमला है। हु इज ही टू यू, वो आपका क्या लगता है। हु इज ही टू यू, वो आपका क्या लगता है। हु इज ही टू यू, वो आपका क्या लगता है। बेन सेज, बेन कहता है, और कॉमर्स के अंदर है हु इज ही टू यू, वो आपका क्या लगता है। कॉमर्स क्लोज इंटरोगेटिव साइन, ये एक सवालिया जुमला है। लेट्स सी हाउ इट्स गोना चेंज टू इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच। आइए देखते हैं कि क्वाइट के तहत ये बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में कैसे चेंज होगा। यहाँ पे देखिए माय स्टूडेंट्स, when as commas are removed and who will stand as it is. As per rules, we will write the who as it is. So commas are removed and who is here as it is, and the remaining sentence, remaining part of this questionary sentence will change to the positive. And you see he is a third person pronoun. By rules it will not change and it's the subject. So who he is to you, who he is to you, who he is to you, वो आपका क्या है। वो who is he to me. Now you की बजाय यहाँ पे me आएगा, क्योंकि you जो है ये सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन है और ये बाय वाले ऑब्जेक्ट से चेंज होता है। तो Ben says to me, so you will be replaced, you will be changed by me, and we need its objective form, that is me. So you see Ben asks who he is to me, who he is to me, वो मेरा क्या लगता है। Ben पूछता है who he is to me, Ben पूछता है who he is to me, वो मेरा क्या लगता है। So Ben asks, Ben पूछता है who he is to me, who he is to me. This is a positive sentence. By rules तमाम सवाले जुमलों को हमने मुस्बत में बदलना होता है। So this is the new formation of indirect speech. Indirect speech में आपने देखा when as commas are removed, who will stand as it is by rules, and this interrogative statement will change to the positive sentence. So he is to me, who he is to me, who he is to me. Why me is here? Because you is a second person and you must be changed by outer object, object, that is I. Ben says to me, that is me, and objective halat of I is me. Ben says to me, so you is changed by outer object me, and we will write here me because we need me objective form. So this is the new form. Ben asks who he is to me, Ben asks who he is to me. Ben पूछता है वो मेरा क्या लगता है। Let's see the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Next you see my students, next page. Lynn tells, comma, inverted comma start. I shall fly to Cairo. I shall fly to Cairo. Comma close, full stop. This is a positive statement. ये एक मुस्बत जुमला है। And in first part you see Lynn tells. Lynn बताता है। This is the present tense. And you see inside the commas we have future. I shall fly to Cairo. I shall fly to Cairo. मैं हवाई जहाज कायरो जाऊंगा। मैं जहाज से कायरो जाऊंगा। I shall fly to Cairo. मैं जहाज से कायरो जाऊंगा। Commas close, full stop. So this is present tense and inside the commas future tense. So let's see how it's going to change to indirect speech. You see my students, indirect speech. Lynn कहता है, Lynn बताता है। Now by approaching to the commas in positive sentences we add that. So commas are removed, we will write that instead of commas. So Lynn says that, and by rules this I will be replaced by outer subject, that is Lynn. We need its subjective form, that is he. So I is replaced by outer Lynn. We need this pronoun and subjective form, that is he. We will write here he, and by rules of future tense with he we write helping verb will. So he will fly to Cairo. He will fly to Cairo. Fly will remain as it because in outer part of this statement the verb is in present. So here we will write the fly as it is because verb will remain same. and by rules we will write it as it is. So Lynn says that he will fly to Cairo. Lynn says that he will fly to Cairo. Lynn कहता है कि वो जहाज से कायरो जाएगा, कि वो जहाज से कायरो सफर करेगा. He will fly to Cairo. Lynn says that he will fly to Cairo. Lynn बताता है कि वो जहाज से कायरो जाएगा. So here are my students. These are very important speeches in direct and indirect, and these are commonly used in day-to-day English speaking, and these are taught in academies. Memorize all these short speeches, and I hope you will you will you will leave your comment on my videos. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.